WhatsApp has introduced usernames, which lets people contact you without you having to share your phone number. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set one up, but before that, here is what you need to know. There is no directory to browse and no suggestions. So, people will need to know your exact username to contact you for the first time. Additionally, to help control who can reach you on WhatsApp using your username, there is a built-in optional username key that others will need to know before they can message you. So, your privacy is still intact, just like how someone would normally need to know your phone number to contact you. So, with that in mind, here is how to reserve your username. Open WhatsApp. You tap the three dots in the top right corner, select Settings, then select Account. From there, you tap Username. Once you tap Username, there are three ways to choose what username to use. You can either create a new username, use your Instagram username, or use your Facebook username. In this case, I will choose Create Username. After that, enter the username you'd like to use. If you type one in and find that it's not available, you can either try another username or add special characters to the one you've already created. Once you find one that's available, you tap Save. Now, to control who has access to your username, select Contact Me by Username. From there, you can change it from Everyone to People Who Know My Key. Once you choose that, a 4-digit key will be created and you can save it. That way, only people you share your key with will be able to contact you.